So if it is not in writing, it is not considered as an agreement ratifiable by the Senate pursuant to our Constitution. So what agreement are we talking about? So hindi ko alam kung saan nakuha ni Secretary Harry Roque yung sinasabi niya, unless katabi siya doon sa nag-uusap at doon siya nagmarites. Katabi siya, naririnig niya na gano'n. Hindi naman siya. Dinideny na ni Presidente Duterte. So, sino magpapatunay na? Di mag-usap silang dalawa ni Xi Jinping na baka nahihilo lang si Secretary Roque. May jet lag. Saan galing? May mga kamag-anak din akong kasama sa Death March. Ibig sabihin, binaliwala na natin lahat yon. So, lahat ng ito ay hindi dapat mabaliwala. Ang ating kasarinlan ay hindi dapat ibigay, ipaubaya, pabayaan, lalo. Nagsalita na yung nagsalita na, marami na nagsasalita Una, if you look at the Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, a treaty, an agreement, has to be in what? Writing. Writing. In writing. If it is a treaty, what is the next step? If it is a treaty in writing, it has to be ratified by the Senate. O paano mo mararatify yung verbal? Di ba? Unless you have a transcript submitted by the Department of Foreign Affairs at the Senate na iraratify. So wala. So tama yung sinabi na wala naman dokumento. How will you ratify something which is verbal? Di ba? And to elucidate this, remember, let me refresh your memory. First day of the 18th Congress, after the prayer and national anthem, correct me if I'm wrong, I delivered my first privilege speech concerning unwritten agreements. Tandaan niyo yun. First day ko, bago lang ako dito, unang araw pagkatapos ng national anthem, privilege speech. It's about this. So, if it is not in writing, it is not considered as an agreement ratifiable by the Senate pursuant to our Constitution. So, what agreement are we talking about? Void perhaps might be I might use a different term. Try to research my privilege speech. It's all there. I talked about it since 2019. Ma'am.
Sir, bakit po i-insist ng China na meron gentleman's agreement?
Because yung ini-insist nila in their favor yun Di ba yun yung makakatulong sa ginagawa nila ngayon Yun yung kanilang proteksyon doon sa panghaharang nila, siguro. Para may masabi lang sila na gano'n, di ba? Siyempre, hindi nila babanggitin yung hindi makakatulong sa kanilang interest. Who is talking? Ma'am.
Pero ano yung effect nun sa atin as a nation, considering that China is making the claim and a fellow Filipino is making the claim?
Who is a Filipino?
Si Attorney Roque.
Si Attorney Roque kasi, dinidispute naman siya ni Secretary Panelo. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nakuha ni Secretary Harry Roque yung sinasabi niya, unless katabi siya doon sa nag-uusap at doon siya nagmarites. Katabi siya, naririnig niya na gano'n. Hindi naman siya. Doon siya. Katabi siya, narinig niya yung dinideny na ni Presidente Duterte. So, sino magpapatunay na? Di mag-usap silang dalawa ni Xi Jinping na, nandyan nga si Secretary Roque, narinig niya. Di ba? Natawa tuloy si Hindi siguro baka nahihilo lang si Secretary Roque. May jet lag. Saan galing?
Sir,
That,
citizens natin na who are still residing with China sa views ng China.
that,
That's na magkakaroon tayo ng pera, pag halimbawa tinuloy ito, yung aggressiveness natin, and other pro-China.
ang kailangan natin protektahan yung sarili nating bansa. Hindi naman pwede natin ibigay na lang yung ating kasarinlan dahil merong nagsasabi ng ganito, may nagsasabi ng ganito. Kung ating titingnan, bukas, April 9, araw ng kagitingan, lahat nung pinaglaban ng ating mga ninuno, may mga kamag-anak din akong kasama sa Death March. Ibig sabihin, binaliwala na natin lahat 'yon. So, lahat ng ito ay hindi dapat mabaliwala. Ang ating kasarinlan ay hindi dapat ibigay, ipaubaya, pabayaan, lalong-lalo na kung titingnan natin yung karapatan din ng mga susunod na saling lahi. Walang karapatan yung ibang nagsasalita ngayon to decide for the next generation. If they want to give up Philippine claims, palagay ko maling-mali yon. Yes, sir.
With the development po, balikan ko lang po tayo.
Sa?
Development po sa kaso ni Pastor Pinto.
Okay.
Dapat po ba magpatuloy yung pag-lead ni Senator Tiberos?
Dapat, we leave that to the chairman of the committee, kung ano pa yung gusto niyang makalap in aid of legislation. So, hayaan na po natin siya na magdesisyon.
Sir, I'm just gonna get your comment dun sa call po ni Senator Nancy Inay sa Philippine Retirement Authority na
And visas.
Iskilid visa kasi may mga alert reports daw na Chinese mafia using passports with special resident retirees.
I agree na baka na circumvent yung existing visa accommodation natin that would lead to the entry of hindi naman sleeper cells, individuals who might be harming our national security in the future. So I support the call of Senator Nancy Binay.
So does it merit an investigation?
Alam ko nagkaroon na ng investigasyon patungkol doon sa fake birth certificates. Magkakarugtong na to eh. Di ba ang daming nakakuha na? I think nag-investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon. Hindi, nung mga bago mag-Holy Week.
IDs and
Yes.
IDs.
Yes, so
So, dapat sir, tuloy, laliman pa po yung pag-iimbestiga kasi ang daming legal documents na para sa Pilipino lang pero nakukuha ng ibang nationals.
Correct.
Especially Congo.
Oo, nakakakuha nga sila ng driver's license eh. Di ba? So, ang dami ng ganyan. Anything more? Anything else?
Ito lang naman sir, as chairman of yung maritime rules na committee, baka po, meron po kayo nakuha information about dun sa sinabi ni President Marcos na comprehensive package na gagawin sa West Philippine Sea in light of these recent attacks from China.
Comprehensive?
Plan daw na i-invoke daw sa Philippine government. Baka may information na po kayo about.
So siguro itong mga nangyayari nga, but I don't have the complete details, but I support the current initiatives na palakasin yung ating sariling defense capability. But I'd like to remind you that I have a pending measure which you should all be aware of. Sayang hindi na cover ito kasi executive session eh. And this is Senate Bill 654. Senate Bill 654 will be a very, very important legislation after the Maritime Zones Law, which is about to be signed by the President. Ang unang anak ni Maritime Zones Law is the archipelagic sea lanes. Ito yung daanan ng mga barko. Pero si Senate Bill 654 will be a landmark legislation. It will set in motion the strengthening of our Philippine Navy. And I authored this. And I think we're about to come out with a committee report soon. Ma'am? calling,
She called it treasons.
ay dinideny na nga yung existence ng, how can you investigate an agreement which is not written? Di ba? Parang hearsay na lang eh. He says, she says, di ba? So, I don't think there is a modest, with all due respect, a sound basis for that, considering that the Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, VCLT, is very specific. An agreement has to be in writing. Di ba?